Hi, Axel Electric. Yeah, I'm reaching out to help you generate more leads, sales, and website traffic. As I reviewed your website, I noticed a few simple improvements that could make a big difference. First, I recommend featuring two or three real customer reviews right on the homepage, and you can also add before and after images of your work so people can immediately see the quality you deliver. Remember, building more trust through customer testimonials and project photos would really boost confidence with visitors. I suggest adding a simple, easy to use contact form right on the homepage. You can keep it short. Just ask for name and phone number, email, and a quick message, and place it above the fold to collect more leads. And a clear heading like request your free code today. This would encourage more people to reach out. So yeah, that's it for now. Of course, there are a lot more we could do to improve your website and help you get even better results. But these changes alone can make a real difference. And I almost forgot to introduce myself. My name is Juvie, and I work with Optimized Media Marketing here in Eugene. We specialize in helping local businesses fix their online marketing and turn their website into lead generating machines. I hope you found these tips were helpful, and we offer a strategy call to help you implement these changes to help increase your sales and revenue. If you want to book a call, just reply I'm interested and we'll book a time on the calendar to call back. Yeah, talk to you soon. Thank you.